Hi everyone. How are you today? Let's learn English conversation with me. 18. Receiving visitors.
Thanks for coming to see me today.
It's no problem. I was really missing you anyway.
I missed you too.
Why haven't you tried to come see me then?
I've been really busy.
Doing what?
Working.
I would have come to see you sooner, but I've been busy too.
What have you been doing?
I've been working too.
Well, regardless, I'm very happy that you came to see me.
I am too.
I'm really glad that you came to see me.
I had to. I was missing you a lot.
I was missing you too.
So, why haven't you visited me?
I've actually been busy lately.
What have you been doing?
I've just been working really hard.
I've also been busy.
Tell me what you've been doing.
Basically, I've been working too.
Well, whatever, I'm glad you came.
So am I.
I'm really happy that you came to visit me.
I really miss you a lot.
I've been missing you like crazy.
I don't understand why you haven't come to visit me.
Lately, I've been quite busy.
Tell me what you've been up to.
I've really been working a lot lately.
I've been pretty busy myself.
So what have you been up to?
I've just been working a lot.
Whatever the reason may be, I'm glad you visited me.
I'm glad I did too. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Sreyoun in order to get more video. Thank you.